Is Zimbabwe ready for its first true planned succession? Azvipere mushe panguva inoi munyika yeZimbabwe vanhu ramangwana havacharizivi kuti mangwana zvichange zvakamira sei. Panguva inoi parinyatswa kuonekwa kunzi consolidations each and every day ari kuitiwa. Panguva inoi kuri kuonekwa kunzi coups they are being planned. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi everything is being discussed, not mumaboardrooms kana mumaboard meetings but classified files. Zambira mashoko kudanyuko panguva inoi the news also to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva inoi kudanyura chiti. For nearly half a century, Zimbabwe's politics have been shaped by the interplay of liberation credentials, military authority, and party consensus. Today, as speculation swells around succession in ZANU-PF, it is tempting to reduce the story to one of rivalry between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. Yet, such portrayals obscure more than they reveal. Far from being entrenched, the two men remain bound by a pact forged in the Liberation War and reaffirmed during the dramatic ousting of Robert Mugabe in November 2017. It was Chiwenga who ensured Mnangagwa's path to power when the latter was temporarily forced into exile in South Africa after his dismissal as vice president. As commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Chiwenga spearheaded Operation Restore Legas, tilting the balance decisively against Mugabe. Without his intervention, Mnangagwa's return and assumption of power would have been far less certain. That shared history explains why talk of open hostility between the two rings hollow. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino achinyorwa mu the South African Times. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa muSouthern Africa panguva ino zvakubuda pachena kuti aiwa nhau the leadership aiwa dzinonyatso kuonekwa kunzi hadzimbofavhi maordinary citizens kwese, especially muSouthern Africa. People vanongochema mukatarisa maneighboring countries eZimbabwe vanhu they are not being satisfied neleadership, and right now munyika yeZimbabwe kuonekwa another power crisis iri kuitika. People they are now being evicted from their land. People panguva ino havasina right kumaresources avo enyika angamba minerals and the likes. Botizai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section mubvunze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chiri on the bell icon.